Squarespace for photographers. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your website within Squarespace to showcase your photography works and also portfolio. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be to go. The first thing that you need to do is to visit squarespace.com. Create an account on it if you don't have one, and then you need to access the account dashboard. Here I have my account set. I'm going to access the dashboard, and as you can see, we have the website that I have already created. If you didn't create a website yet, you're going to create a website. In my case, I will create a new website which will contain the portfolio. So we are going to click on create website. Right there we have the templates. So you can go ahead and choose one of the templates, and then we are going to see and filter all the templates. Generally in the photography fields, designing and also some freelancing websites are created like this. Here we have the type. We're going to select the type of portfolio. So we need only to select the portfolio like that, check it, and then you're going to see all of the website or the templates that will contain the possibility to publish your work. As you can see right there, we have a lot of things to do or a lot of portfolios to show. For example, for this one, the Mark Novo like this, it is a portfolio showing the designs for mockups and also the visit cards or business cards, books for their illustrations, and as you can see, something like that. We have also this one. We have a lot of options. So go ahead and choose whatever suits you well. Then we can proceed to the work. For the photography, I see that this is, let's say, very attractive. So we're going to select that. Beaumont, I think this is the name of it. Here we have the preview of the website. It is a simple portfolio showing, and here it has the simplicity of attraction. So right there at the right side, we have the simple color presets. You're going to select the color palettes from there, and it will see here, or you will see the variation of the colors that are available for the website. As you can see, the font or the background should be a little bit clear and not containing some colors, because the more color that it will contain, the more distraction for the clients will happen. So let's go ahead and choose one of these palettes. I'm going to select this one, maybe like that, or like this. So I will go with this one, and then I will go ahead and click on start with this design. So we are going to set up the website from the title, and also some SEO settings like the description, the undercovered or the covered words that will appear only for the search engines, and etc. So we are going to wait for a few seconds until the creation of the website will be happening. And boom, as you can see here, we need only to set the name of the website. So go ahead and set art portfolio, for example. This is just an example that I will give you. Click on next. Here it will introduce you to the options and also all the features that are available on Squarespace that you can apply onto your website. Go ahead and read those if you want. Then you're going to click get started. And here we have the, as you can see, the website. So if you want to modify this website or edit something, you need to click on edit the button right there, and it will show up the website itself fully editable. You can modify the header. When I click on the header, you can go ahead and set the navigation. And also here we have the site title and logo. You can modify this. If you have a logo, you can go ahead and upload it. And if you want to let this like that, you're going to let it like this. And for the navigation, you can modify it by clicking on the pen tool, organize right there the titles, also the menus, and here we have it. This is a login page. This is a logic to be happening right there if you want to create some subscriptions or some, let's say, sign-ups right there. the social links or the share buttons. That was for the header. For the sections, as you can see, we have a lot of illustration set, and each of one of these illustrations are clickable. So when you click on any of these illustrations, they will take you to the main page. For example, I'm going to click on this one. Here we have the collection. Well, as you can see, this is a perfect portfolio. Get in also the description, the title, and all of the elements. You can go ahead and modify these by just clicking on edit again. Here we have the modification of the page itself. Go ahead and set up whatever you want from here. Like when you select the image, you can have the possibility to edit the gallery. So when you click edit the gallery, you will see all the pictures. You can add a description to that picture. And also you can add in a link. For that link, you're going to set it either internal or external. You can also guide the link to an email subscription, creation of email, website or external website, a downloadable file, another page, or a phone number. Here, for the section, you can edit this section of the gallery. Here we have the gallery type. You can set it strips like that. This is much simpler and much smaller. Here we have a masonry like this. We have also some slideshows, a simple slideshow like that. Full like this. This is the full size of the photo, and a reel. So for the height, you can control it. And also with the width, you can go ahead and set whatever you want from there. We have also the option to crop, set a cropping. Right there we have some options to set some captions and also put some dividers. The divider also can be customizable, and the color will match the color palettes that you have chosen. If you don't like that divider, you can go ahead and modify the color of it. So that was for the gallery. And for the colors, I told you before that you can modify later whatever color that you have set, or also the palettes. You can go ahead and use whatever you want from the colors, and here we have it. For example, like that, like this one, or that. This is up to you. I would go to the lightest one here, which is the white background, and here we have it. So right there, we have the option also to add some blocks. Click on add block, and here we have the basic blocks to the advanced blocks. We have the text block, image, video, audio, buttons, and etc. Go ahead and choose whatever you want. If you want to integrate a code within this platform or this website, you need to click on code. Click on code, place your code wherever you want, and then you're going to double click on it. Put your code right there and it will be appearing right here and reading the code. Now, let's go choose something else. I'm going to click on save and I will exit this page. I have set everything from there. I will let you see how we can add some elements. So, we are going to click on pages, and here we are going to see the same main menus pages right there into this section. You can add a page or a special page. For the portfolio page, we have the first one. If you want to add another one, click on portfolio. And here we have the type of the pages for specific for portfolio. As you can see, we have only 3 ones or 3 particular pages. Go ahead and add whatever you want from them. For example, this one. You can add it, and this is a page. You are going to name it and click on the arrow right there to see right there the projects. Put right there the projects and put in a general idea of the project like that. So you are going to set, for example, steps of the project. Here we have step 1, step 2, how it was, how it will be. For example, right there, the first result, and here we have the final result. It is up to you to use that, and there you are going to set the promotion for that project. So the client will be in touch with you also and see the progress that you have set onto your project. You can go ahead and edit each one of these projects because each one is individual. For example, project 1, project 2 has its own right there images and also portfolios. Also here we have the slider of the projects, and etc. Everything is fully customizable. When you set project, you can add some under project or sub project into that specific portfolio page. Go ahead and use whatever you want and suits you will, and then you can modify it. Here for the styles, you can go ahead and choose the fonts, the buttons, the forms, and also the colors. I'm going to change that right there. Choose something else. For the font pack or the font packs, I'm going to use something like this one maybe. You will see that the fonts will change. Go ahead and use that, and here we have it, like this, that maybe, and here you go. Then don't forget to save everything before leaving because you're going to lose it if you don't. And here we have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.